In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring tasks in Trello. Whether you're a Trello newbie or someone looking to streamline your workflow, having your recurring tasks automatically populate can keep you on track with minimal effort. So, let's dive into the steps that will help you harness the full power of Trello's recurring task feature. First, you need to head over to Trello. Open your preferred web browser, type in the URL, and make your way to the Trello homepage. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with a sign-in page. You can choose to log in using your email address. Alternatively, if you find it more convenient, you can use your Apple or Google account to sign in. This flexibility is useful if you frequently switch between devices. After you've logged in, it's time to enhance Trello's functionality. To do this, you'll need to select the Power-Ups menu. Scroll through until you find Card Repeater. This is the magic ingredient that lets you set cards to reappear automatically according to a schedule. Add it to your Trello by following the prompts. Once it's installed, a quick page refresh will ensure everything is up and running. Now look through your Trello board and find the card you want to make recurring. Open this card, and you'll notice various options at the bottom, including a Power-Ups icon. Click on that icon and then select Repeat. Here, you'll be able to fine-tune the frequency. Choose every day for your needs, and don't forget to specify the exact time you want the card to repeat. You also have the flexibility to decide where the repeated card should appear within your board. Once you're satisfied with your settings, hit Save to lock them in. Trello also offers another approach to automating tasks. Click on the ellipsis menu of your board and select Automations. Here, you can create a new command that provides more detailed control over task triggers and reminders. Define what will trigger the task. You can use the Do command to set a specific due date and time, ensuring you never miss a deadline. Further, with the Notify command, you can set up automatic reminders to yourself or your teammates. After creating these automation rules, make sure to save and enable them so that everything works as planned. And there you have it. Your tasks are now set to recur automatically in Trello. By making use of either the card repeater or automation features, you're well on your way to simplifying task management and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.